Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change nickname in Discord. So first of all you have to know what is Discord. Discord is an app that you have to download from your App Store or Apple Store if you are iPhone user. So let's start the video. First of all, like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Now go to your Discord app. First of all, let me show you how Discord app looks like. Go to your Apple Store. Now you have to search here Discord. After searching here, so this is the first screen of Discord app. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change nickname of your Discord app. Here you can see there is an option of edit file profile. You have to go on that. After clicking on edit profile, there's a lot of options appear. So this is a procedure from where you can easily change your nickname. So press on edit profile on your screen. You can see here. In this video I'm going to show you how easily you can change your Discord name. After pressing on edit profile, this option a lot appears on a screen. Display name. So display name is a basically nickname that you can easily change. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change. So first of all, delete your last name, and now I'm entering a new name. You can see on a screen I'm entering a new name that I wanted to change my nickname. Display name is basically the nickname you wanted to change. In this video, all the video is about how to change nickname in Discord. So after writing the new name, just you have to press on the save button and your nickname will be changed. So this is a very basic and easy procedure how you can easily change nickname in Discord. Hope so friend you like this video, and hit the bell icon if you like this video, and subscribe the channel. Also comment below if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching the video and your support. This is an informative channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more updates if you want more videos like this. So you can see on the screen I changed the name and it successfully changed. So hope so friends you like this video.